That knife. Yes, come out of the tent.
And one more knife.
One more knife. All right.
Okay, now no.
Okay. Do not reach for those knives. I want you to come out.
I threw them away from me.
Okay. Don't reach for them. Come out of the tent and go around to the path to your right. There's a path over there. Do you see it?
Yeah.
On your right, my left. There's a path. I want you to go that way, one at a time. Ma'am, you stay put. All right, you stay still, ma'am. You stay still. Sir, I need you to go to the path.
Which way?
It's on.
Go to your left. I can hardly walk. You're right.
You're right. There's a path over here, too. They're homeless. They're about dead, I think. Come to me. You see me? See this path here? Come on through these weeds.
Come on, buddy.
Get through these branches. Oh my God, he's got frostbite. All right, hold on. Can you get him? Don't grab his hands. Don't grab his hands. He's got frostbite.
He's got frostbite.
Yeah, he does. All right. You get him to our vehicle? All right. Ma'am, I'm not going to leave you, all right? I'm not going to leave you. She can't move. It's okay. I'm coming to you, all right? (912). I'm going to the female. She's immobilized.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm coming, ma'am. Can you tell me your name?
No, don't die, man. 912 dispatch.
All right, I'm coming to you. I'm right here. Don't worry, I'm right here. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yes, you do, ma'am.
912, go ahead. I'm tired of the psych ward sticking needles in me. I'm tired of being on the street. I'm tired of my family accusing and assuming me.
It's okay, ma'am.
Doing a bunch of shit.
Ma'am. All right. I need you to calm down, all right? Calm down for me. Calm down.
We have the male subject in my vehicle. Right. He has frostbite.
Now I'm going to open this tent, all right? I'm going to take a look at you. I just want to take a look at you, all right? Are you okay? Do you have any cuts? Anything wrong with you?
I'm just so cold I can't move.
All right, come on.
I'm cold and tired.
I'm going to open this up.
I hate being hated.
I don't hate you, all right? What's your name?
Everyone I know does.
What's your name?
I said nothing.
I don't hate you, all right? I don't hate you. You're still alive.
They've accused me of so much shit. I'm homeless and in the cold for no reason.
Can you feel your legs?
All I do is love them and try to be a good person.
Ma'am, I need you to focus for me, all right? We're going to get you out. Can you feel me? Can you feel this? I'm holding your hand right now. Do you feel that? Can you feel me? It's okay. It's okay. You're going to be all right. Can you feel your legs? Can you feel your toes? Can you feel your
feet hurt really bad.
Okay, can you feel your legs?
I feel them shake.
Okay, good. That means you can feel them. They're okay. All right? They're going to be okay if you can feel them hurt. You're going to be all right if you can still feel them hurt, okay? You're going to be all right. I'm going to touch you now to make sure that you're healthy, okay? Is that all right?
You want me to just sit up? You can just ask.
Right, you need to sit up.
I can sit up.
Okay, you need to sit up.
I just can't really get out of the tent.
Okay, I'm going to help you do that.
Thank you.
919, 912. I'm going to need assistance with the female. All right, slowly. That's good. That's good.
Okay.
I'm going to help you out. Come on. Come on. I got you. Okay, I got you. On 3. 1.
I need shoes, dude.
It's
really cold.
Let me pull you back so you have room to reach in there, okay?
Okay.
You ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Okay, now you can reach in there and get your shoes. Oh.
912.
They're in the bottom there. Can you reach them? There's a backpack here. I'm going to pull this out. Pull the backpack out.
Okay, I see the PD.
Empty.
PD is almost here now.
Oh, I can't do this. I can't do this. Go.
Copy,
19, I'll be there in just a second.
I hate having to do this.
I copy.
Why can't I just go home? Oh yeah, that's right. They accused me of so much shit. And I couldn't. I didn't do anything until they... accused me of so much. And they used their accusations to kick me out. I begged and pleaded. I asked for forgiveness when I didn't even need it. I mean, yeah, I used to be a liar. And I've cheated on every dude I've ever been with.
I'm going to try and stand you up.
That's the weird thing I've ever done.
Ma'am, we're going to stand up now. You're going to stand on this tent, okay? Ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Relationship. Oh,
Can you stand? Are you alright?
yeah.
Okay.
I want to stay home and a job till I have to go to school. But no, I can't have that.
I'm right here.
God, it's so
We're coming
cold.
out. Stay at the top to help us out. Okay, I'm going to get your shoes, alright? You don't move. I'm going to get your shoes. Here's what I want you to do. Do not move. That's important to me that you don't move, alright? Okay, alright, okay. Alright. I'm right on your right.
Okay.
You only have one shoe in here, ma'am.
Can she get up?
Yeah, she's standing. I got her standing. Alright.
Fuck it. Fuck this.
Okay, there's going to be some weeds here. If you can't walk, I'll carry you, alright?
I got it.
Okay, you got it. It's okay. I'm with you. I'm with you. If you can't walk, I'll carry you.
Man, it's just... Yeah.
Get up, you high.
Hang on, let me help you with that.
Here, give me your hand. You're welcome, sweetheart.
I'll meet you at the top.
Yep.
Dispatch to 912, status.
919 dispatch. I'm with 912. He's assisting the female out of the brush right now.
Copy 912. Is the ambulance on scene yet?
Have you seen the ambulance on scene yet?
No.
That's a negative. We have no emergency medical service on scene. Do what?
PD's on the scene. Walk it up, hon.
Copy 919.
Come on, come with me. Under this. Come on. Just walk straight. Just walk straight. Okay. All right. Good. You did good. You did good. Watch out for the wetness here. It's gonna get wet. It's okay. It's
so
okay.
cold.
It'll be okay. All right. Now you just gotta get through this brush here, and there's some warmth right there, right in these vehicles. Good job.
Right here.
How's the mail?
I hate you. I'm so glad you're happy.
We got you.
You have my daughter.
How's the mail doing?
Accusations and assumptions.
I think we should separate them.
And everyone thinks I'm a drug head
You're
and a
not
whore.
You're not a jackass.
You're
You're not a whore.
welcome.
You're
Nope.
fine. You're fine.
All right.
Come on.
You too. Thanks for the shelter.
Here. Sit here. Sit right here. Stay warm.